In this video, I'm going to show you how to import bookmark from Firefox to your Google Chrome browser. So if you want to import Firefox bookmark, so just you need to click on these three dots. Now hover cursor to bookmarks and click on import bookmarks and settings. Import bookmarks and settings. So click on this drop down. Here you will find some Mozilla Firefox profile. So select any profile from where you want to import bookmark, like TechnoPro. We can see this bookmark has and this profile has some bookmark. For example, we want to bookmark this one, this site also. So close it, and now open this Chrome. Bookmarks and import bookmarks. Select any profile. Select these options like items to be imported, like browsing history, favorites, bookmarks, saved password, autofill from data. Then click on import. You will see import bookmarks and settings is done. Your bookmarks and settings are ready. Just click on done. Now open new tab. Here you will see imported from Fire. So you will see all options, like if you are not see the bookmark, so actually we don't have here bookmark, so let me try again. Okay, so from here select bookmark toolbar like this. If you not see, so select bookmarks toolbar, then click on done. Like this. We will open another site like BBC. So click on this star icon, and in this folder drop down select bookmark toolbar, and in new tab you will see Facebook, and this second one, and this is the, and also we will bookmark Amazon. So don't select bookmark menu, bookmark toolbar, then click on done. Now open Chrome browser again, and again try to import bookmark. So three dots, bookmarks, and click on import bookmarks and settings. Select profile, then click on import. Click on done. So now we have this new one, imported bookmark. So open it and toolbar. I think this error is coming. We have the some multiplayer profile. So firstly we need to set profile properly here. If you are facing this error, so type here about semicolon and type profiles, about semicolon profiles. So see which profile is here. So set as default profile this TechnoPro. Then click on launch profile in new browser. So we don't have here, so open this one now, bookmark here, and select bookmark tool, Amazon, Reddit, bookmark, and select bookmark toolbar, then click on done. So now we have BBC and Reddit. We will delete in this first one. Now we will bookmark the Guardian. Select bookmark toolbar, Wired, bookmark toolbar, then done. So as we can see, we have this 4 bookmark in this Firefox one profile, which is named TechnoPro. Now we will import this bookmark. So open this Chrome browser, and firstly we will delete this all before bookmark. Three dots, more bookmarks, and import bookmarks and settings. So select this profile and then click on import. To finish importing, close all Firefox. So we need to now close. Now try again. That's it. So that's it. Now we have these imported bookmarks in Chrome browser. So hopefully friends, we can know how to import bookmarks from Firefox to Google Chrome with all type error and problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.